The Garden Treasures Pergola was sold at Lowe's. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your pergola, please refer to the manufacturer model number GF-9A037X or GF-12S039B. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 10 by 10 square. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are square frame posts with pedestal at the bottom, unique pagoda roof style. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Garden Treasures pergola. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have DuraPocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.